Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn headshot photos with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your LinkedIn profile. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon. Scroll down to the section where your headshot photo is displayed. Right-click on your headshot photo. Select the option to download the image. This saves the photo to your device's storage. Now, open a new tab and go to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose the Custom Dimensions option. Enter the dimensions that match your headshot to maintain quality. After setting the dimensions, click Create New Design. In the design interface, look for the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click on Upload Media and select the headshot photo you downloaded. After the upload is complete, drag your photo onto the canvas. Resize or position the photo as needed. You can add text or other elements if desired. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the Download option from the drop-down. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button to save the backed up headshot photo. Now your LinkedIn headshot is safely stored in Canva. This allows for easy adjustments and access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.